again, my ladies, and welcome to our third structural life coaching video lecture. I hope the homework went well last time, but if it didn't, don't panic, don't worry, we're here for that. And today we will speak about acceptance. Accept ourselves, our human nature. So this is coming, of course, with ups and downs. This is life, okay? We are not here to work on a static image and a perfect stage where we would like to go, because this does not exist, okay? So we have to understand that as alive human beings, we will have ups and downs, good moments, bad moments, happy moments, some sad moments, and this is life. This means that we are alive, okay? It's normal. Well, whatever normal is, okay? I mean, you are called today to embrace yourself. Sometimes we don't feel like we want to work. Sometimes we don't want to speak to anyone. It's fine. Of course, what we need to remember is that these moments are not a life sentence, okay? That means that they are going to change again. So don't panic, don't feel like, I didn't do this well and I'm useless and blah, blah, blah. Not at all. You're just a human and this is normal, okay? We have to remember here that life is a constant movement. It's a constant change. It's not a static image. The perfect does not work. It does not exist. Life is a dynamic in progress, actually. That's it. And we work on that to progress. This is our aim. What I wanted to tell you, that everything around us is changing. Not only us, but everything around, okay? We change if we want to. It is possible. First, we have to have desire for that. And if for any reason we've done mistakes in our life, whatever, well, think about it. What is a mistake? What actually we call a mistake? Because to be honest, whatever we call mistakes sometimes in our life could very probably represent the best decision, the best choice we had at that time. So it doesn't mean that it's wrong, because this decision, this moment, this action that we took back then, it's what we thought it would be the best decision at that moment. So well, it is what it is. We just need to accept it. We need to embrace it. We need to forgive ourselves, and remember that we took a priceless experience. This is a life experience, and of course a lesson. So whatever that is, it's fine. Just embrace it and accept it. And well, treat yourself right and say that, okay, this time I will do it differently. This time I will change something. The homework of today's lecture is a gift for me, a gift for myself. Think about what you would like to do as a gift to yourself to récompenser, how we say in English, to give, well, to, let's say, pardon pour le français, well, anyway, let's say, to give a gift to you for your efforts, because it's not easy, okay, this procedure of change. Well, for example, it could be a nice massage for you, or for example, a treatment from a beauty professional, from a hairdresser professional. Okay, you have a lot of instructors here in our project. For example, it could be new clothes, or again, it could be just a walk with a friend. It could be anything. It could be some flowers for you, just for you, buy you flowers, why not? Or just relax at home alone and do nothing. Perfect. Okay, so pick up a thing, and this will be your gift for you, for your effort that you're doing here, and your human nature. Embrace yourself. Mwah. See you next time.